Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2019 Passport 2200 RB model. So we are out west, so this is the Western edition, so you'll see that in the model title as well. So starting right here at the front, 2 propane tanks with cover, power tongue jack, all standard on all the Passports. So fully caged aluminum construction, and what that means is you can actually have a look right here. You can see that aluminum frame welded right through the whole trailer. Now, you already saw it probably, but they do include the outdoor barbecue. So Passport always gives you some kind of form of outdoor cooking. If it's not a full outside kitchen, they'll at least give you a barbecue that mounts on to a pre-installed bracket and then just plugs in underneath. And one thing they did well in this trailer is put a nice big awning. It covers your cooking area, your seating area, and your entrance. Okay, so you got the wide stance axle to make towing nice and smooth. One thing to note too is the Passports all use the Atwood water heater. So that's gas electric. So you can use both or one or the other to heat your water. Super fast recovery rate, over 17 gallons per hour. And it doesn't require an anno rod for maintenance, all right? So towards the back here, you can see this is a rear entrance, but it does have backup camera prep. I just wanted to show you that quick. So all you gotta do is buy the camera itself and that just plugs right in. It has a screen on the dash and you're ready to go. Let's head inside and check it out. So welcome inside, awesome couples floor plan. They really haven't made a lot of changes in the past few years other than a couple little innovations because honestly it's been so well received and is so functional. So you'll notice right away, massive counter space. You know, we're only in a 25-foot total trailer and it's just got tons of counter space. Of course, lots of cabinets underneath. Everything is real hardwood. Big double sink, entertainment, Bluetooth deck, DVD, TVs are standard. Okay, it's not an added option. You get the full-size residential queen bed, 60 by 80 inches. Closets on either side, of course. And then you get the full U-shaped dinette. So if you did have some company, when that folds down, that's the size of a double bed. So tons of space. Storage underneath. That'll lift up on top. The back area is kind of like a chest. That opens up. So one thing that's awesome about this trailer, especially in a couples unit, is the fridge is accessible even with the slide in. So doors at the back, you can walk right in, head to your fridge, grab a drink, grab a sandwich, whatever you want, and the washroom as well. Okay, so full washroom, porcelain toilet, nice radius shower, and then vanity just around the corner. And then an awesome feature, the closet. So right when you walk in, there is a coat hanger here. There's a spot to put shoes. So they finally have a spot for you to hang up all your different outdoor wear. And then one small change that they've made in the past couple years is they had 1 row of LED lights down, but they've now added 2 rows. So you can see it's very, very bright in here. And yeah, nice and cozy. That's the Passport 2200 RB Western Edition. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.